Alright lads, we are now at Ikebukuro. Having his coffee? Oh, I wonder if they have it. Let's find out. So they say Ikebukuro is like a second Akihabara. Pretty cool, not disappointed so far. Last time we went here, we went straight for Sunshine City. We just saw like an underground department store, which is also pretty cool. They have a Pokemon Center in there, but let's hang around outside for a little bit more. Oh, there's that Milky Way cafe we went to last time with all the desserts. So we want to go through there. Oh god. Bruh. It's Halloween, everyone's all dressed up in their Halloween costumes. I'm hoping to find something too. Bro, they have the whole YAKUZA collection here. Even the PS3 HD remastered versions. I think it's the original PS2 game, but just remastered for the PS3. So tempting. It's $10. I kind of want to buy them all, just to have like a physical copy, but they're all in Japanese, which is, I mean, it's fine. I already have the English digital versions, but still. Ooh, so tempting. Look, even the original with the actor. $2. That's nuts. This is book off, by the way, if I forgot to mention that. The original cover with him smoking. I know they removed that in the later version. Bro. $0? Nice. So we just got done shopping at Book Off. I bought a figure. My friends bought a few things as well. I'll show you later. We're now looking for places to eat. And everyone is just going their way. Some people in costumes already. Pretty cool. Everyone in their Halloween spirit. Jesus. Hello? There we go. Interesting as well. I ordered the Peanuts Royale from Spy Family. The one over there. Let's see how that goes. Alright, we're heading into Sunshine City. Alright, the search for the Pokémon Center begins. Oh. Floor 2. There it is. Ah, this is the Pokemon Go lab. That's cool. Ooh. Oh, this must be a really special gym. So everyone here is playing Pokemon Go. So there's like people defending it right now. Oh, I wonder if you get anything special here. I wanna try. Wait, so the homie needed some exclusive Australian Pokemon. Have you asked you to trade?
Yeah. And he had like a sheet that just translates, like, do you have these Pokemon? And it's like, I can give you these.
That's nutty, dude. That's awesome.
So I just helped the brother out.
A fellow Pokemon trainer, international Pokemon training. That's awesome. Alright, now we're heading to the actual Pokemon Center. That was the Pokemon Go lab, which is pretty cool. Alright, this is it. Whoa, what's this?
What was this?
It is Mr. Mouse. It's the Mr. Mouse. The real Akuma store's over there. That's awesome. Let's go to Pokemon Center. Holy crap, it's packed. I don't know if I can film or not, so I'm just gonna pretend like I'm not actually filming, even though I'm holding it like this. What's everyone lining up for? Oh. Oh my god, they still have it. They still have it. I don't know how well I can show you guys, but they still have it. What I came here for.
Hi.
Look at this. Bruh, I want this. I can't see the others. They're so packed in here. It's also really hot. Now this is something new and exciting. Look at that. A real beauty. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just on my phone. I'm not recording. I'm just having a little bit of fun. Yeah, playing Pokemon Go. Leave me alone. I'm a nerd. Oh! Whoa!
I think you're right.
Huh? Oh, you're true. Oh, is it? Oh my. Oh my lord. Whoa.
Go to the left later, because I got kicked out for recording in the arcade.
Not allowed to record.
I don't know. There isn't as many staff in the capsule area. it's really cramped, so I think we probably get away with it.
You know what, I probably won't record just to be safe. I don't want to get kicked out as well. I want to get kicked out as well. I won't record. This capsule store is huge. I'm sure they're not going to let me film anymore and they're going to kick me out, but I just want to go show you guys a quick glance. It's huge, over 3,000 machines. And I bought some stuff. I'll show you guys later. Huge cosplay thing going on over there. We're in Ikebukuro, just outside of Sunshine City. I'm so tired though, my knee is killing me. It's really hot in this jacket, but then when I take it off it's really cold because I'm only wearing a t-shirt. Alright, we home now. Resting up and then we might head to Shibuya afterwards. But right now, we're all exhausted, completely blasted from Ikebukuro. So yeah, just chilling. Holy shit, man. It's actually so fucking crazy at this time.